Grover?
Sunil Grover was an independent find. Mr. Raj Babbar was in the film. And we had a
Yes.
press conference, and his opening line was कि जसपाल भट्टी का ये तो पागल इंसान है, क्योंकि which today sadly the comedians don't have that bandwidth and don't have that audience segment. That part of him I saw only when he was with his engineering college friends. And the saddest part was that when Doordarshan was in the process of selling content, Jaspalji had offered saying that please give Flop Show to us. And they chose to give it to somebody else. My heart breaks when I recollect this is when some journalist asked him.
Are you saying that you actually, Jaspalji, did write
Yes.
further 10 episodes and
Yes.
actually there is a good potential of
Yes.
making an extension to Flop Show?
So full tension actually created a lot of tension for us because we lost a lot of money in that. It was like major films, Raja Hindustani and something which he all refused. And the other person on the sitting on the other side had the audacity and cheek to say कि जसपाल जी को बताइए कि इसी से काम मिलता है. That it is like corruption is in the open now. He was when the Harshad Mehta scam happened. He stood outside Parliament saying that the government should legalize corruption. We never till today have not got any royalty. We have not got anything out of it except for that one single payment we got. But if you keep giving them what they want, then you could have 100 episodes of Flop Show. So the Nonsense Club is, I think, till today, I would challenge any artist, any field, any language to have this much of conviction, courage, patience. At one time, he was also looking at Paresh Rawalji's wife, Surup Sampath. She had acted in, uh, I think,
Yes, yes, Zindagi.
a serial with Shafi Inamdar ji. So,
ये जो
ये जो है जिंदगी, exact. The life of a common man is a flop show.
one question is, so Jaspalji obviously was a soul which had satire and an independent mind and trying to make a social comment for reform, but not necessarily being very happy in the comedy part, being a comedian in Bollywood and saying someone else's dialogue and not necessarily being happy. बट उसके अलावा जसपाल जी को बॉलीवुड में टेकर्स या को इन जनरल ऐसे लगा क्या, या जसपाल जी को ऐसे लगता था क्या कि बिकॉज अगेन पंजाबी एक्सेंट की आपने बात की थी इनिशियली, देन ही रिफाइंड इट जितना हिंदी किया, तो ऐसा है कि नॉर्थ है या नॉर्थ बेस्ड ह्यूमर और वही जोक्स में फिट किया गया, या एक्चुअली कोई क्रिएटिव इनफ अपॉर्चुनिटी बनी नहीं, या फिर उनको बिल्कुल ही टाइपकास्ट कर दिया था, यू नीड अ कॉमेडियन, ये अच्छा ठीक है इसमें जसपाल भट्टी जी
Yeah.
कॉमेडियन बन जाएंगे, दैट वाज द ओनली
That was
मोल्ड
the
ही वाज
only
कंसीडर्ड.
mold. And unfortunately, neither the Punjabi film industry nor the Hindi film industry explored his potential. And
That is
we
that is why I'm asking the question, because being in company of such a thinker and the guy who has proved
yes,
his metal, फ्लॉप शो से बड़ा पाथ ब्रेकिंग बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि उसमें उन्होंने वो सब चीजें की जो कोई भी नॉर्मली नहीं करेगा. नोबडी विल डेयर टू रिस्क
yes,
देयर प्रोडक्शन by saying
yes.
misdirected by, and so everything he did was just being a pure soul and not even worrying about business and all. So ऐसे बंदे को साथ में जब when he's brushing his shoulder with others in Bollywood, why I find it
No,
very
I
surprising
don't
कि
think they understood his vision. And number two is even as an independent filmmaker, when he wanted to make films, when he made Mahal TK, when he made Power Cut, and I'm sure he would have made more films had he found more takers. Because what happens is जब आप film बनाते हैं, you're a filmmaker yourself, you would understand that it is purely the vision of the director. And
correct.
Jispalji was, like I told you, the script for him was the hero. So he would not allow any tampering of any kind to his script in terms of add this scene because it is required or because it is the done thing. And I think people were afraid of that you cannot
Yeah.
change what he has written, and that he will, he has a moral compass, and that there is not going to be a producer's cut and a director's cut separate, that all through it will be
Right.
Jaspalji's vision. And I think he suffered because of that. It was very heartbreaking. It was
One.
very
Yeah.
heartbreaking
Yeah.
when he would see other people, even in the Punjabi film industry, even in the Hindi film industry, getting their projects cleared very quickly. And he would be met with, oh, we love you, we'll admire your work, you are this. But when he would talk of a project, it would be like the doors would shut. And till today remains a very heartbreaking and very that this man had so much of, he had so much in him, and I'm sure had he been more backers to his vision, we could have seen more work of his.
Yeah, of course. And that is what I was alluding to, that considering how Ulta Pulta started with, and then the flop show should have, the opportunity should have exploded in terms of when the private TV
Yes.
network came, rather than that. And probably that, most of that, as you rightly said, too many commercials, too many those dark
Oh, too
lanes,
many,
too
too
much
many.
of politics, and maybe this guy was such a pure soul.
I will just give you an example. In I won't name the, I won't tell you whether it is Doordarshan or a satellite channel. He had submitted a
Yeah.
project, and he sent his assistant director saying that go and meet that person and show him the proposal. So this person who was assisting Jaspalji just took a little gift or something from his own side, because he knew Jaspalji would not give anything like that. So he took it from his side and he
Right.
said कि आप इसको, like, this is our this, and this here is a little gift for you. And he said that Bhatti Saab ko nahi pata. And the other person on the sitting on the other side had the audacity and cheek to say कि जसपाल जी को बताइए कि इसी से काम मिलता है. That it is like corruption is in the open
Oh,
now. It's not something, behind closed doors or somebody is scared. It's now vocal and it is there in the open. And that is a shocker. And that's a
yes, I
shocker that,
must say. Wow.
here is like somebody who will not toe the line. So what can the channel do? They will make you pay for it. That either they won't give you an extension, they'll put in some this that lighting ठीक नहीं है जी, इसके change कराइए, ये कराइए, वो. So they'll trouble you. But if you keep giving them what they want, then you could have 100 episodes of Flop Show.
Right. So, I'm so happy to know that you have quite a lot of content still, Jaspalji's unexplored content, which actually is waiting for someone to really appreciate, understand, because I'm for sure that there are so many things, Jaspalji's vision and the way he wrote. There are so many things which can be explored in terms of
My son,
possibilities.
Jasraj, is now
Yeah.
ready to make his first feature film with Jaspalji's script, which Jaspalji was supposed to do next. And my son is ready.
Mm.
To anybody who's hearing this and has an access to
Yes.
this conversation, all I say is not just as his mother, that let the blessings come for this child. Let not just
Yes.
Jaspalji's vision continue, but my son's vision also, because you're taught by your father, and that is the only way of
Correct.
keeping him alive. And I'm hoping that
Yes.
people everywhere will bless my child and will see this through.
I'm sure, Savitaji, he will do well. And I hope we'll be able to, relay this
Thanks.
message to as many people as we can. Uh, one final one on Flop Show. We know that most of the casting was mostly amateurish, not a casting director. Everything was through Jaspalji's
Yes.
lens. Does this fit this? Any interesting stories around how casting happened for Flop Show?
The most interesting story is about me, but I the other actors like Vivek Shok was already doing lot of drama, doing lot of stage work. So Jaspalji spotted him. Then Mr. B.N. Sharma, who is currently one of the top artists in the Punjabi film industry. Then there was a Kuldeep Sharma, Vinod. All of them had a theater background, but there were a lot of novices
Right.
also. I had done some episodes of Ulta Pulta, not not very many, and
Yeah.
so I was kind of there and not there also. So I remember for the
Right.
Flop Show main female lead character, there were auditions happening in front of me. There were a lot of female artists we auditioned for, and it was at one time he was also looking at Paresh Rawalji's wife Surup Sampath. She had acted in uh, I
Yeah.
think
Jo Zindagi.
a serial with Shafi Inamdar ji. So
Ye
yeah,
jo
Ye Jo Hai Zindagi, exactly. So he was very keen that she has very good timing and she's a great actress. And in fact, somebody from our, whether it was Vivek or somebody else, who suggested that why don't you try, Vivek would call me Bhabhi ji. So he said, why don't you try her? And Jaspalji looked at me and said, I mean, 10 episodes, will you be able to kind of, do it? Because I had done just some seconds spots in Ulta Pulta. And he said, okay, I'll give you an script. And he gave me the toughest script of Flop Show, which was on fake medical bills and where you are kind of, supposedly you've lost your husband, but actually he's alive. So comparatively to the other episodes, this was slightly heavy. So he gave
yeah,
me
yeah. I
yes,
remember that.
and mm, I did it more out of my common sense and my confidence you have being a Fauji
Yeah.
kid. So he liked it and he said, "Okay, you're on." So that is how I got Flop Show, and later on I would keep telling him every time he would write a script. I would, I would be the first person to read it. So I would quickly go over the page and then say, where's my role? Where's my role? So he said, you're not supposed to look for your role. You're supposed to read the script first. But then it's like, you know, कहते हैं ना शेर के
Yeah.
मुंह में खून लग जाए एक बारी, so you want more. So later on, but giving him all the credit, he never wrote any
Yeah.
role for anybody in mind. Nothing was written for me.
Yeah.
Nothing was written for Vivek
Yeah.
except for himself because the script used to say JB, like Jaspal Bhatti. Otherwise, it had said,
Yeah.
the names Preeti, Sita, Rita, whatever, Mr. Sharma. So,
Character names.
I mean, even as his wife, I did not have that privilege that roles were being written for me. And
Right.
lot many times people would ask me that, did you get the work? It must have been easy going for you because you were his wife. And I would
Yeah.
like to give myself also a little credit that I earned that respect from him. That
Yeah.
he was not a
Yeah.
person who would give
Compromise
compromise
on
on
the yeah.
anything. So if he had to indulge me, he would have given me a smaller thing. That okay, but he believed in
Yes.
me, and he said that,
Yes.
and he always
Yeah.
told me that your potential has never been exploited, and I wish I could make something bigger for you. That strength carries me even till today. That here was this man who was so iconic, who was so visionary, and who believed in your own in my capabilities. So that keeps me going even till
Yeah.
today.
Yeah, and no wonder, after every appearance, your acting and maturity could be seen in terms of growing. I mean, you were not an amateur actor casted like that. When was the first time someone recognized you in public, कि ये सविता भट्टी जी है? And what was your emotion?
मुझे रिकॉग्नाइज कम करते थे, जसपाल जी को ज्यादा करते थे. सो इट वुड बी वेरी फनी.
जी,
ही वुड वॉक वेरी फास्ट. सो ही वुड बी इन, फ्रंट ऑफ मी, ahead of me, and I would be at the back with the children. Whenever somebody
yeah.
passed, you could hear the comments कि हाँ ये जसपाल भट्टी है, नहीं है, शर्त लगा ले, शर्त लगा ले. And I would say हाँ वही है, शर्त आप जीत गए. Then they would say, okay, you are his wife. आपको भी देखा है. So I was always the secondary person to be recognized. मेरे
Yeah,
recognition का, I have a very funny incident. This was when Flop Show was released and it had already been, doing very well. There was no airport in Chandigarh. So your usual, this was a going to the railway station. So Jaspalji went to the railway station one day to see somebody off, and he met someone there, a railway official, who told him कि आपका फ्लॉप शो तो कमाल का है, हाँ अच्छा है, मजा आ गया, यू आर गुड, द स्क्रिप्ट इज गुड, विवेक जी इज गुड, वो है, ये है, वो है, सब बहुत अच्छा. ही सेड व्हाट. ही सेड जो वो लेडी आपके साथ आती है ना, वो बहुत ही बदतमीज है. कहते उनको ना बात करने की अकल नहीं है. कहते आपको हर बात पे ना डांटती रहती है. एंड ही वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट मी. And Jaspalji, being the prankster he was, he kept quiet. He says, हाँ जी, हाँ, बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे. He didn't tell him कि ये मेरी wife है. So he came home and he told me, he says, today I have met your biggest fan. There was somebody and he wants you out of the serial. मैंने कहा ये कैसा fan है जो wants me out of the serial. It so happened that after 2 days, we had to go to the railway station again for some work. And he said, come on, let's go and meet that guy. And till then, I think that other person had found out that I was his wife. So he said, "Nahi, tu ja andar, pehle tu ja." I opened the door and there was this gentleman sitting in the front. And he got scared. He thought शायद ये मेरे से लड़ने आए हैं कुछ. And I opened the door and he said, "Ma'am, मैं तो वैसे ही क्या सीगा. पट्टी साहब ने मैंने दसिया ही नहीं that you are his wife and all." So we had a good laugh, and I think it shows also about the kind of times we lived in. That people
yeah,
had
yeah,
so much of love, had so much of
yes,
that you could speak your mind, and the artists also had that grace to accept
yeah,
and say that okay, let's have fun at this, instead of saying that how dare he, how
yes,
ye mere ko kaise keh diya isne, I'm flan tamkana. I think it also shows the kind
yeah,
of that we didn't take ourselves too seriously ever.
yeah,
You say okay, you've done this work, we've done it well, fine. The other people equally more talented. So each one for
yeah,
themselves. I mean, I
yeah,
would this incident was till date it remains a very sweet memory in my head, saying that that
yeah.
man could speak his mind, and Jaspalji very cleverly never telling him कि ये मेरी wife है.
He's- No, Jaspal ji is being Jaspal ji. He actually might have taken pleasure in it just to tell the story again to you and see your reaction. But again, this is what the upbringings or maybe the culture around Jaspal ji was, that everyone is grounded, and we never heard in any stories of any actors or I mean I have, for Jaspalji's production in general or for any of his work, we have never heard any controversy around the actor or anything. And maybe that's the reason why, because the guy leading the ship was so
It was like we were
humble
like a
and grounded.
family. It was like you knew
Yeah,
everybody, everybody knew, and everybody respected each other. Jaspal ji, I always say that
Yeah,
Jaspal ji, we were very lucky to have Jaspal ji in our lives. But so was Jaspal
yeah.
ji. He was also very lucky to have a great team back him up. So I think that that love and admiration was there from both the sides.
Living with
Hmm.
Bhatti ji. Okay. So I'll ask some questions. You have to answer as quickly
Okay.
as you can, but as correctly as you should. Because knowing Jaspalji's wife, you also have seen enough of the media work and the television to be diplomatic. So I want you to be straight away, just be like a Savita Bhatti ji,
Hanji,
which you
hanji.
are. So one word for Jaspalji's morning mood.
Uh, very energetic and very irritating. Because he
Is it?
get up early in the morning and I would get up a little late and I would, he would get up and read Gurbani and things and then get up, you haven't got up, what is this, what is this, women are supposed, and I would tell him, please keep this lecture for a little later, let me get up. So he was very energetic but very irritated.
Yeah, yeah. Because he would, yeah, yeah, he would need things much earlier than probably he should have been asking that. Uh, his most used household dialogue.
Actually, he didn't have anything generic, but it would be like he would say, because we spoke in Punjabi at home. So, like if we were, getting ready for something or for a project, he would say, "Do this." To see time the time हंस के दिखा देना. It's like when something goes wrong, you say ये तो ऐसे ही है जी. So he would always say that कि तुसी लोगों ने तो and whenever we would go for a wedding or for a this, and if we were late, he would say अ, वो ना अब तो वो कढ़ाइयाँ मांज रहे होंगे or we'll have dinner with the waiters or something like that. And with my daughter Rabia, he would make these little poems about when she was a little kid. Her name is Rabia, so he would call her Rabu, and he would say कि बाहर कबूतर आ गए वो कहंदे ਅਸੀਂ राबू ਨਾਲ खेलना है. With my son he would have a different equation. With his parents it would be different. So कोई ऐसे generic चीज नहीं थी, but सबके साथ he had
But
a very unique, a very loving kind of relationship.
different with each
Yes, yes.
everyone. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah. Uh, when Jaspalji shared any joke, who laughed first?
I
Whether you or
had
he
to laugh.
himself while telling.
Obviously, I had to laugh. If I didn't laugh, there would be like, and most of the time it would be a genuine laugh, but there were times went
Yeah, yeah,
above your head or you didn't understand it, so you had to kind of give a feeble laugh either way.
yeah. But he would say jokes on being poker face. That was also one of
Yes.
his quality. That you wouldn't guess whether he's serious or
he
not.
would he would not laugh himself at all. So your reaction was under scrutiny कि ये कैसे हंस रहे हैं. वो थोड़ा सा भी expectation से नीचे हो, so why didn't you laugh? What is this and this? So you're scared when somebody used to tell you a joke.
One punchline or one line which Jaspalji said either while closing the flop show or while finishing the shoot of the film or start at the shoot of the film. One line which he said which still echoes in your mind.
There was nothing specific that he said, but I would like I had mentioned earlier what he said in the interview about flop show. That line has stuck with me even today. That in India, the life of a common man is a flop show every day. That you have to stand in queues, offices, nobody's listening to you, you don't have a voice. I think that line sums him up. That the brilliance and
Yeah,
yet the pain at the same time with the laughter.
yeah. So, so I've used one popular AI to check what were the other contemporary satire-based shows during those times. So there was a serial called Office Office. Of course, that also
That came
had
much
quite a bit
later.
of satire. It was late 90s. Yeah. Other show which is ranked seventh is Idhar Udhar.
Mm.
Uh, it also enjoyed quite a bit of popularity. Then the one which probably you can recall more prominently is Mungeri Lal Ke Haseen Sapne.
Yeah.
That is ranked at sixth. Fifth is Zaban Samal Ke.
Okay.
Zaban Samal Ke was actually, right, there was a British show and it was exact replica
Mhm.
of that. But the way Pankaj
Yes.
ji and everything in terms of language,
Yes.
culture, the number of uh, uh, satire situations there were interesting. Guess which are top
Mm.
four? Okay, I would say four. The fourth one is Dekh by
Okay.
Dekh.
Ah.
Now you tell me where does Flop Show sits in first three?
Second,
Based based on this ranking, and which other show you recall can be the top one?
Nukkad.
Nukkad was actually,
Was it
yeah, I mean,
education?
Nukkad was one of the popular shows, but not
Not
based on
based on
satire.
satire.
On satire, interestingly, Ye Jo Hai
Mm.
Zindagi, again, it had also had consistently high
Mm.
TRPs. That is third. Second is, guess what, Ulta Pulta, and first is Flop Show.
My God, how wonderful is this? You made
That's what
you made
AI
my
says.
day.
And it, yeah, because they are purely satire, isn't it? There wasn't any other drama in it. There were no second or third tracks, only Jaspal Bhatti ji and his constant hammer of satire,
This is
saying
so
things.
amazing. This is so amazing. When we lost him, I was always troubled with the thought of that. We've lost him, and that people will forget him. And this 5th of October, it's been 13 years without him, and each day has been a reinforcement that people love him even more. And this AI the compiling of this is just again, that he hasn't gone anywhere. He's still here, very much there. And
Yes,
this is so heartwarming.
indeed.
Thank you. This is so heartwarming. Yes.
So जो आपको एज अ फैमिली सबसे क्लोजेस्ट था वो नॉनसेंस क्लब था, isn't it? जसपाल जी was very very serious about that and he would actually carry out, कभी कभी कोई demonstrations वगैरह भी करते थे and he was very serious on that. तो अभी अभी कैसे चलता है
उनके
नॉनसेंस क्लब का?
बाद कम हो गया है। इनिशियल इयर्स हमने फिर भी किया। लाइक when the Nirbhaya case happened, we did an act saying that a woman should be declared as a commodity. आप उसमें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ही डाल दो, because then you can do anything with her. So we had done that. Then
वाह,
Valentine's Day we did कि आजकल इतने गिफ्ट देने पड़ते हैं तो बैंक्स को वैलेंटाइन का लोन देना चाहिए। फिर कोई अवार्ड्स की बात चली थी तो वी सेड कि हमें अवार्ड्स दो ताकि हम प्रोटेस्ट में उनको वापस दे दें। हमें आज तक तो कोई अवार्ड ही नहीं मिला है। सो then of course when petrol prices went up, we had a petrol marriage
yes,
where the relatives are exchanging cylinders and pouches. मतलब पेट्रोल की चीजें वो इतना महंगा है और कोई चीज चाहिए ही नहीं। बट अभी फ्रॉम द लास्ट
yeah,
then with the elections also I had done some this classes for politicians कि हम ना we'll have these special trainings for politicians की 6 टॉपिक्स हैं उनके ऊपर हम इनको स्पीचेस तैयार कराएंगे। वो सेट चीजें बिकॉज दिस फ्रॉम द लास्ट 70 years they have been speaking the same language. Eradicate poverty, ये है फलान ढमकाना, it's all been the same.
yeah,
But
yeah,
from the last 2 years the frequency has dropped. One, because of the kind of atmosphere in the country. You don't know
yeah,
what can be taken out of context and what can be said.
What to express it.
And number two is that you don't want to do it just because you have to do it. That sometimes the idea
Yeah,
has to
yeah,
be right. And I also write.
yeah.
So for me now, writing has become a kind of a way of expressing myself. But
But
for him, the
yeah,
Nonsense Club remained a very, very important uh, thing to remove. I think आजकल की जनरेशन जितनी troubled है, you need to purge your feelings. And I think for him the Nonsense Club, because everything cannot come on television, everything cannot be made into a
yeah,
film. So if
yes.
he saw school children carrying very heavy bags, he quickly made a little Nonsense Club act saying that और कुछ नहीं तो हमारे बच्चे बड़े होके कुली बन जाएंगे, है ना? They're
Yeah,
carrying
yeah.
so much of load. And then
I recall but
टमाट
कुछ visuals.
टमाटर उस टाइम पे वेजिटेबल्स बहुत महंगे हुए थे. सो सेक्टर
Yeah,
17
yeah.
में ही गिफ्टेड मी वेजिटेबल ज्वेलरी and saying ki everybody can afford gold and diamonds, but I can afford to give my wife vegetable jewelry. And the best part about doing that skit was that it we didn't, because आप जब कुछ करते हैं you don't know the reaction to it. Sometimes the reaction is
Yeah,
just a squib, sometimes it does very, so it did
yeah,
very well. And the channels had just come up, so they said कि आप हमारे channels में live आइए. वहां गए वहां गए वहां गए, and I
yeah.
was wearing a huge necklace with tomatoes.
Yes,
And
yes.
जो उसके अंदर का thread था, वो जो हम जूते सीने वाला that plastic होता है ना, so by the evening, I
जी,
had
जी.
a, because it was a kilo tomatoes, I had a huge gash on my neck.
देख
And every
हाँ.
studio we went to, वो टमाटर थोड़ी देर के बाद गिरना शुरू हो गए. So everybody said ये बहुत अच्छे guests हैं, ये हमारे लिए इतने महंगे टमाटर छोड़ के जा रहे हैं. And I think there were times where I
हुआ.
disagreed with him on the impact of Nonsense Club. I would tell him that it is something
राइट.
so momentary कि एक दिन अखबार में आता है and then the next day people forget about it. Why do you do this? Leave it. Why
राइट.
why don't you utilize your ideas? Why don't you monetize them? You know, that was, but
या,
after we lost him, I realized how wrong I was. Because the people in Chandigarh, for not just for people of Chandigarh, but for every ordinary person, a middle class person, he was their hero. He was their voice. If
यस.
the petrol prices went up and he was on a horse saying that now I'm going to go to the
करेक्ट,
office on
करेक्ट.
a horse, here
यस.
was a common man saying that here is somebody who understands my pain. If a cylinder goes from
या,
800 to 900, हमें ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन एक गरीब आदमी को बहुत फर्क. That 100 rupees is, so I think the Nonsense Club was really his conscience. It was like, I feel your pain. And there were times we were doing
यस.
something. Once I remember we had done an act, again it was related to the petrol prices. And he said, "Ki ab hame tandoor," and he actually had a tandoor made in Sector 22. It was the month of June, and we had to make rotis. So because for the photograph and for the act, and both
या,
of us burnt our hands making it because the flames were high. So he was not, his thinking
या,
was not confined to a AC room and comfort में मैं script लिख रहा हूँ.
या,
It was being with the people, speaking for them, and saying that I'm with you, I understand your pain. So the Nonsense Club
या,
is, I think, till today, I would challenge any artist, any field, any language to have this much of conviction, courage, patience to stand in an open area and say that I feel for somebody else. And this is
या,
something that adds so much to his persona and as a crusader, as an activist. And in fact, The Nonsense Club is something that outside Chandigarh, maybe lesser people know, and I'm planning to write a book. I have written some chapters, and I plan to bring this part of his life also as a companion because I've seen him working on it. I want to bring it out too.
Right. Right. Yeah. I had a point about that, that he wrote so many things. Did he write any book, or did he have any aspiration to write any book,
Uh,
Jaspal ji? So actually, you are now writing these
it's
biographies,
not a
right?
biography. Mostly his Nonsense Club activities with little anecdotes
Right.
thrown in
Right.
here or there, and basically it's from my point of view, seeing that what he was doing.
Right.
The part is that I was with him, standing next to him, but yet at that time I didn't understand the depth of what he was saying. It is today, uh, with the time, with that perspective, you understand that what is this man
Right.
saying. He once, because of the drugs problem, he
Yeah.
said कि हमें मतलब ड्रग्स मेला करना चाहिए, अब तो ड्रग्स इतने इजीली अवेलेबल है। एंड ही सेड आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट, उस टाइम पे प्राइम मिनिस्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी थे, से ही सेड आई वुड आस्क द प्राइम मिनिस्टर सर कि आप न्यूक्लियर डील को छोड़ के आप ड्रग्स डील करें कि कम से कम हमें ऑर्गेनिक ड्रग्स मिलें ताकि हमारी सेहत मतलब इतनी खराब ना हो। सो ही वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट everything under the sun, everything.
Yeah.
He was, when the Harshad Mehta scam happened, he stood outside parliament saying that the government should legalize corruption and say that अगर 200 crore से ऊपर तक मतलब ऊपर तक ही मतलब the government should start thinking about it. He said उसके नीचे नीचे तो दे शुड नॉट इवन वरी, छोटी मोटी करप्शन पे बिल्कुल ध्यान ना दें। उससे 200 करोड़ से ज्यादा जो होगी, देन ही सेड लेट देम मेक ब्रीफ केसेस जिसमें इतने पैसे आ सके, अगर आपने घूस किसी को खिलानी हो तो यू हैव द राइट इक्विपमेंट फॉर इट। एंड आई so many years later I have actually understood the depth of what he was saying, what he was trying to say.
Again, the point, as you rightly said, the point I was making was there were so many satire-based shows in those days, but now if we explore in recent times, I do not see there is much appetite of makers or even audience who is saying that we miss this satire-based, like Kakka Ji Kahin, uh, and there was काफी अच्छा साहित्य
Available.
available है, but
Hindi
is
literature is so much full
is
of
it
satire.
है? तो फिर तो फिर ऐसा है क्या कि एक्चुअली यू सेड कि अभी कौन सी बात से कौन हर्ट हो जाएगा, लोगों की सेंसिटिविटीज इतने बढ़ गए हैं कि किसी भी बात पे कुछ बोलने से पहले आदमी 10 बार
Exactly,
सोचता है, बिकॉज इट्स अ रिस्की
exactly,
बिजनेस।
exactly. I think
तो
satire is
दैट्स व्हाई
missing because आजकल all of us are looking for shorter means to success. So if you have to just find your USP. I'm just talking about the comedians only. That if you say that below the belt comedy is my forte, then I am going to have, this is my audience. Let me work for this and let me get my shows according to this. That is all. That is
या
all that is working for you. And it also depends, again, as I say, who your mentors are, who are the people you are inspired from, that makes your journey. So I think that is very important.
या
And plus I think we have to recognize that the generation has changed. So the newer generation will have newer ways of saying things. And even though if you feel that there is, everybody's more prone and more open to discussions, there's a lot of things being talked about, but I have realized that there is a very thin एक कहते हैं layer of discussions and civilized behavior. That moment that little cartilage breaks, and all you see is hatred and intolerance and disrespect. So I think the
दैट इज
generation
सो
has
ट्रू,
changed.
दैट इज सो so true. And especially the explosion of these different platforms and all actually let you, and these are pretty democratized. I mean, you can set up, shoot something and actually publish something. Someone like Bhattiji's, capabilities and these democratized platforms would have been really helpful. Otherwise, also there is usually लोग बोलते हैं ना वो चले गए और वैक्यूम क्रिएट हो गया है, वो क्लीशे लगता है, बट भट्टी जी के पार्ट में तो आई वुड से भट्टी जी के जाने से एक्चुअली सटायर वर्ल्ड में एक सच में वैक्यूम है, बिकॉज देयर इज नॉट मच ऑफ स्टफ
महेश जी,
अराउंड,
ऐसे होता है जब कोई चला जाता है ना, तो उनकी जगह लेने को नोबडी कैन फिल दोज शूज, कोई भी आर्टिस्ट हो, बट आपको कभी भी फिर भी लगता है कि चलो ये कम से कम ये आर्टिस्ट थोड़ा सा समथिंग, कुछ झलक है, समथिंग। बट
या
I think to
या
his
या
credit, even after 13 years, people are saying that there cannot be another Jaspal Bhatti. So I think that is the biggest tribute we can pay him.
आई थिंक देर इज अ गुड appetite for people would actually love a bit of
Yes.
satire formed in a way which is recent times के हिसाब से, तो फॉर एग्जांपल पंचायत जैसा सिंपल सादा सीरियल भी अभी मार्केट में अच्छा कर सकता है, इट्स जस्ट द मेकर्स एंड समवन नीड्स टू एक्चुअली
Believe
इन
in
सब
it.
बातों को पुट
Yes.
टुगेदर अगेन.
Yes. Very true.
Jaspal Bhatti ji was very enterprising again, putting all of the production together, actors together, casting, writing. He was
Yes.
one man show.
Yes. Actually, and I think that is if there's one thing you wish that from his life you could tell other peoples to be inspired by, is that you can buy, you're complete by yourself. He was an institution by himself, and he was single-handedly doing things.
Correct?
And like they say, you
Correct.
are a drop in the ocean. I think Jaspalji was the ocean, and so is everybody else. That you
Yeah.
single-handedly have the capacity to change, to reform, and to keep your conscience alive.
Inspire others. Inspire others like people like you who are not
Yes,
actors and all, giving
very
you
true.
support, mentoring it, building the
Very
team.
true.
These are all, yeah. Again, very enterprising person, and it's very rare for a writer to be that enterprising in practical life.
Yes.
Usually, you would not see
वो
that
नहीं तो वो थैला
combination.
लटका के घूम रहे होते हैं
Um,
इधर-उधर
for
sad and
out,
going from one place to another. But I think humor helped him keep that cheer and that hope and that grace and that dignity in him. I think that helped.
yeah. Uh,
Somebody had come to offer condolences at home when we had lost him, and they said कि जब भी हम कोई we would read the newspapers, there would be some scam or something, like it would be confusing for us कि what to make out of it. So they would say कि we would wait कि जसपाल जी कुछ nonsense club में करेंगे, इसको simple करेंगे, and then we would understand.
yeah,
And I say this again and again, that it's the toughest thing being simple, whether it is your lifestyle,
yeah, yeah,
whether it is your thought process. It is so easy to be sounding grand and intellectually philosophizing and everything, grand words and difficult vocabulary. आप एक,
yeah, yeah,
I
yeah,
think, and that is the strength of Jaspalji's work. Ki the language is
yeah,
something
yeah.
which we all understand. And
One liner. Just simple उनके one liners होते थे on the situation which would underline the pain
yes,
of a
yes.
common man.
There was this in Flop Show के एक एपिसोड में एक एक्ट्रेस है, and
जी,
she's calling home, and I pick up the phone from the other side, and she says ये भट्टी जी का, जसपाल भट्टी जी का घर है, and I say हाँ घर तो उन्हीं का है पर प्लॉट मेरे पापा ने लाके दिया है. And it was, I mean, single line, and just like a typical woman, who's showing off कि ये तो मेरे मायके वाले हैं, इनके हस्बैंड का तो कुछ भी नहीं है. So very simple and very relatable. He had made a
yeah, yeah,
film, it's a short film called Jija Ji in Punjabi, and it was on the typical जीजास we have at home, है ना, जो किसी शादी में कहीं जगह वो गुस्से में बैठे होते हैं. And the best thing was people who watched जीजा जी always thought कि ये हमारे जीजा पे ठीक बैठती है। नॉट
एक्सेंट पे
रियलाइजिंग कि
करेक्ट।
हम भी जीजा हैं किसी के, हम भी तंग करते हैं अपने इन-लॉज़ को।
ऐसा
बारे
ही
में
बिहेव
कभी
करते हैं।
सोचेगा यू
क्यों?
थिंकिंग ऑफ योर जीजा कि हाँ, मेरा जीजा बड़ा खराब है यार। यू नो देयर आर पीपल हू वुड से कि
Yeah, yeah,
साडे जीजा जी बड़े खराब है। सो ही सेड आई हैव केप्ट द कैसेट राइट देयर एंड व्हेनेवर ही ट्रबल्स माय सिस्टर आई जस्ट पुट
yeah,
ऑन द कैसेट एंड से ये देखो अब दिस इज व्हाट यू डू।
yeah. One of the principle of writing funny is you say something which is painful and
यस,
true, then it comes across as funny. Now the magic is how to make that happen, and I think Jaspal ji would is was that kind of a magician. That's why he wouldn't allow you to change his
यस,
scripts and words, because he has already imagined the
यस,
magic of it. He doesn't want to go further up or
वेरी ट्रू,
further down. He knows the
वेरी
magic
ट्रू,
of that.
वेरी वेल सेड। बहुत अच्छी बात आपने कही एंड वेरी करेक्टली असेस्ड दैट ही न्यू बिकॉज़ what happens is normally somebody else is writing the script, somebody else is directing it, somebody else is editing it, so you are you're getting
Yeah,
more and
yeah, yeah.
more removed from in the vision is
Translation.
being diluted. But here was somebody who
Correct.
knew what to write, how to execute it, and how to present it. Just one thing I would
Please
like
come.
to add is about him receiving the Padma Bhushan. You know, after all, we are all humans at the end of the day. You crave recognition, you crave acclaim from the industry, from everybody else. He never got an award for anything in his life, for whether it was his work or from anywhere. And when he went away in 2012, in 2013, the government of India announced a posthumous Padma Bhushan for him. And
Ji.
I went through some of the previous Padma Bhushan winners, and if I'm not wrong, I think he's probably the only humorist in any language to win the Padma Bhushan. And it is like
Wow.
it was such a strange experience because you wanted him to have that award. It was his work, it was his vision, it was his achievement. It should have gone to him, but he chose me. He chose me that I should take that honor and I should get my strength from it. And it was a very, very, very emotional moment. My children were there, my mother-in-law was there, and for that 1 minute I wanted that this should be he should have got it. But in all these 13 years I have seen that he has been there, he's there, he's as an angel, he's watching over me, he's watching my children and guiding us. Because when people come to you they say, ma'am, we love you, we love this work, we love what he's done. I just feel that this is Jaspalji's way of saying that I'm there, I'm taking care of you. And I just want to narrate
Yeah, yeah.
one incident that this was the time of COVID, and Doordarshan had started the rerun of a lot of content they had. Flop Show was one of them. And I was so
Yes.
happy seeing, Flop Show again. You're taken back to a younger, slimmer version of yourself. And I got a message from somebody on Instagram saying that, ma'am, I'm reaching out to you regarding my father, that he was in the PGI hospital here in Chandigarh. And the doctors had said that, now you can take him back. Like, he's not responding. And
Yeah,
she
yeah.
said, we were also very defeated and sad and came back very tired and wearied and this and that. And she says, of course, all of us sat down and we were very tense and we said, let's put on the television. So she says, when we switched on, Flop Show was coming. And she says, we saw my father opened his eyes and he had a smile on his face. And she wrote, she says, I
mm,
owe my father's life to your husband and to you. I would not
mm,
like to take that credit, but it just shows the kind of all your life, what is it you want to do? You want to say that I made a difference to this person. Of course, you make a difference to your family, but beyond the family, what have you done? Is there somebody, is there your helper, or is there your colleague? Is there somebody who can say that, yes, Savita helped me? And here was somebody that we don't even know who she was. And she says that
mm,
her father, I owe my father's life to your husband. It was something, it was like a divine blessing. It was like God saying that he may not be physically be there with you, but he's there. He's alive
mm,
and he's there.
yeah,
And I think this is Jaspalji's biggest triumph, that he's alive. And if I
yes,
go to any place and they say that she is the wife of late Jaspal Bhatti, I said, don't say that. He is alive because I still dress up the way I used to. He is all there. He's there. He's blessing
mm,
his children. He's looking after me. And I think this is his biggest triumph, that he hasn't gone away anywhere.
true, true. And more the work we
Yes.
explore of Jaspalji's, more we realize how much of difference each of those
Yes.
episodes, those gags made, starting every morning with his one of his gag,
Yes.
making you smile, making you feel
Yes.
lighter. Uh, for a common man, such a big
Yes.
relief, for finding a reason to
Yes.
smile
Very true.
to
Very
start.
true.
Amazing, no doubt, no doubt. There is a big, big legacy. Apart from that, if you have any closing words, ma'am, you can say.
I think just a big, you know, thank you to God for giving us this wonderful person who enriched our lives, and to each one of you who, through social media or through meeting me personally, I always say that this is now our time to say thank you to everyone who has loved us, who have appreciated us, because without all of your love, I would have been a broken person today. So thank you so much. Thank you for this wonderful, wonderful journey.